In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder and subfolder in Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a clean place to store files and a simple structure you can reuse for any project. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so Drive can save your changes. At the top right of the page, look for the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the menu of Google Services. From that menu, choose Drive. This takes you straight into your Google Drive, where all your files and folders live. Once Drive is open, look to the top left corner and click the New button. This is where you create and upload things in Drive. From the menu that appears, select New Folder. A small window will pop up asking you to name the folder. Type a clear, descriptive name, something that tells you exactly what belongs there. Consistent names make searching and sorting much easier later. When you're happy with the name, click Create. Drive will add your new folder to your current location, usually My Drive, and you'll see it appear in the list. If you have a lot of items, remember you can use the search bar at the top to find it quickly by typing the name you just used. Now let's create a subfolder inside that folder. First, click to open the folder you just created. You'll know you're inside it when the folder name appears at the top of the screen and the file list is empty or shows its contents. With that parent folder open, go back to the top left and click the New button again. Choose New Folder one more time. Give this subfolder a name that fits the category or purpose it will serve within the main folder. For example, Assets, Documents, or Archive. Then click Create. Drive places the subfolder right inside the parent, keeping your files neatly organized in layers. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Try to avoid vague names like MISC or Stuff. Specific labels save time later. If you ever need to rename a folder, you can open it and change the name without affecting its contents. And remember, your subfolder lives within the folder you opened, so any files you add there will follow that structure automatically. That's it. You've created a folder and a subfolder in Google Drive, giving your workspace a clear, professional layout that scales as your projects grow.